Hello and welcome to the week ahead. Just in terms of some of the main market focuses for this week, of course from a Eurozone perspective, things will be very much focused on the Greek and Eurogroup discussions. So today does see a key meeting, given that last week we failed to reach an agreement. So like I said, today will be the key focus, and at 7 PM London time we're looking out for any comments whereby there is a scheduled press conference. However, it is plausible that things might actually run into the night, so it may not be a specific set time there. But just in terms of heading into the conference today, some latest commentary has been relatively mixed. We have the Greek finance minister saying he does expect the deal to be made, however his German counterpart Schäuble isn't as optimistic. But unless we did see an interesting one in German press today, so in Handelsblatt, they did say that Troika may not necessarily insist on an extension to Greece's existing bailout programme, which could be quite a key source of a breakthrough for the two parties. But just in terms of Greek assets today and how we've opened, so the ASC at the time of this video is currently down around 4%, with the 3-year Greek-German spread wider by over 100 basis points. So markets starting the week off on a relatively tentative footing, but nonetheless we'll be looking out for any further developments at this moment in time. But elsewhere across the pond in the US, we do see the release of the latest FOMC minutes, so focus will largely be on the presence, or rather any discussions about the presence of the word patient. And if there is any potential deepened discussion on when to move it, then this could subsequently see market participants alter their expectations for rate lifts off by the Fed. And if there are some quite extensive discussions, then may see participants actually bring it forward. Therefore, could see some upside in the US dollar, as it does reside near 11-year highs, as well as prompt some downside in US Treasuries. That'll be a key focus one. But elsewhere, in terms of central bank events, this week sees the first ever ECB minutes release. So in terms of actual content to expect for, nothing too much exciting, given that the last statement did see the ECB announce their latest QE program, which itself hasn't even started. And furthermore, since then we have also seen a slew of ECB speakers on the docket voicing their opinions. So in terms of actual content of it, it's not going to be too punchy. However, we might see a bit of volatility, given that we haven't actually seen it before. So it'll be interesting to see how the news wires cover it. And so it might be a little bit of volatility in the marketplace, but nonetheless, given that the markets haven't actually seen this release in this format before, we may actually see some participants just sitting on the sidelines for this one to see how it is released, as well as there's not being expected to be too many surprises from the minutes as well. So that's all from me, and I hope everyone has a fantastic week.